How many tabs do you have open right now? Seller Central, a spreadsheet, Alibaba, and somewhere, ChatGPT, sitting in a tab you feel guilty about because AI was supposed to change your business and it has not. I know, I had that same tab. Hi, my name is Maike Dinh, Dinh's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We have sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. Here is what happened. I stumbled onto a YouTube video about something called agentic AI, and it broke my brain. An e-commerce consultant posted a 44-minute tutorial showing Claude Code, an autonomous AI agent that runs inside Visual Studio Code. Not ChatGPT, not a chat window. He was talking to it with his voice using something called whisper flow. He told it his plan: supplier sourcing on Alibaba, competitor research, outreach emails, and the AI said, I can handle all three autonomously. 6 to 8 hours of your work. Then I watched it connect to Alibaba, pull 250 suppliers for 30 cents, filter out plastic, deduplicate, add its own assessment column, flag the top picks, and save it all to a spreadsheet. He had a second AI agent running a different task in a parallel session at the same time. When something broke, the agent self-corrected. I sat there thinking, I have been treating ChatGPT like a search engine, while this thing does real autonomous work. So I tried it. A colleague needed transcripts from 184 YouTube videos. My instinct, hire someone on Upwork. Instead, I installed Claude Code. It gave 4 options. Hire a freelancer was dead last. Option 1, let me build a script and handle it. I cannot read Python and have not coded in years. This is what they call vibe coding. You describe what you want. AI builds it. I said, build it. 32 transcripts downloaded in seconds. Then YouTube blocked the connection. I figured it was done. Next morning, 170 transcripts in my folder. The AI agent detected the block, added a delay, restarted, and finished while I slept. That is not a chatbot. That is an AI employee that problem solves, adapts, and executes without supervision. A task I was about to pay a freelancer for. Now, put this in the context of your Amazon business. You are reformatting the same search term report every Monday. Re-explaining your margins to ChatGPT every session because it has no memory and no connection to your data. That is a chatbot. An AI agent is different. It reads your files, connects to Amazon, Alibaba, Google Sheets through NCPs, follows your SOPs like a trained employee. If this is the kind of insight you want for your own business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. Here is how you start. Download VS Code and install Claude Code. $20 a month and only takes 10 minutes. Then tell the AI to interview you. It builds what is called a system prompt, a permanent memory file, so it never asks the same question twice. The next morning, tell it your to-do list and let the agent tell you what it can handle. That is the flip. Then connect one MCP to a tool you already use. That is the moment a chatbot becomes an employee. 63% of people using AI coding tools right now are not developers. Collins Dictionary named vibe coding the word of the year. The agentic AI revolution is not coming, it is here. But every tutorial assumes you are technical. And you, the person running an actual Amazon business, you watch those videos and think, this is not for me. That assumption is the most expensive mistake in e-commerce right now. I almost missed it. The script had failed, YouTube blocked the connection, and I almost closed the tab. If I had, I would have hired a freelancer, waited a week, and never known that 170 transcripts were one overnight run away from being free. One closed tab. That is all that separates knowing from not knowing. How many tasks did you do this month that were just tedious and repetitive? Pick the worst one. What is it costing you in hours? Multiply by 12. That is not a productivity tip. That is a different business. It started for me with one YouTube video and $20 a month. This is merchant technology. The merchants who figure that out first will not be easy to catch. What is the one task eating your time? Drop it below. I read every one. See you in the next one.